Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gmail, the powerhouse of email services. Ever wondered what Gmail is and how it works? Stick around, because we're about to find out. First things first, Gmail is Google's email service that has become a staple for millions around the globe. It's more than just sending and receiving emails, it's a robust platform with a multitude of features designed to make your email experience seamless. Now, let's demystify the inner workings of Gmail. We'll explore composing and sending emails, organizing your inbox with labels and filters, and understanding the powerful search functionality. Stick around to uncover the secrets behind those handy tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions. But wait, there's more. Gmail isn't just about sending emails, it's about efficiency. We'll take a closer look at essential features like Google Drive integration and smart replies. Trust me, there's a lot more to Gmail than meets the eye. Concerned about security and privacy? We've got you covered. We'll discuss Gmail's robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and spam filters, to keep your emails safe and sound. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to Gmail and its inner workings. I hope this video has shed some light on what makes Gmail such a powerful tool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech-related content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and tech-savvy.